Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Spotify app not opening problem on Windows. First, try opening Spotify normally by double-clicking the Spotify icon. If Spotify does not open, don't worry, we'll try a few simple solutions. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Now look for Spotify in the list of running apps or background processes. If you see Spotify, click on it and select End Task. This will completely close Spotify if it is running in the background. Now close Task Manager and try opening Spotify again. If Spotify still does not open, the next step is to check the installed app. Open the Start menu and click Settings. Now select Apps and then click Installed Apps. In the search box, type Spotify. Find Spotify in the list and click the three dots next to it. From here, you can choose Uninstall if the app is not working properly. After uninstalling Spotify, download and install the latest version again. Once the installation is complete, open Spotify and check if the app is working normally. If Spotify still does not open, restart your computer and try launching the app again. You can also check your internet connection because Spotify needs an active internet connection for many features. As another option, open your web browser and use Spotify's web player. If the web player works but the desktop app does not, reinstalling the desktop app is usually a good next step. So to recap, first end Spotify from Task Manager, then check the app settings, uninstall Spotify if necessary, reinstall the latest version, and restart your computer. Following these steps should help fix common Spotify app opening problems on Windows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.